Hello friends and family from Universal Orlando Resort. It is so hard to believe that tomorrow is literally Christmas Eve. Like, it's incredible. Like, I can't believe it. Anywho, I am here to do a bunch of theme park updates on the Universal Studios side and over in Universal Studios CityWalk. There are plenty of updates, a lot going on around the park that I want to share with you guys. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click the bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. I do want to point out the adorable photo op that they have for the new Puss in Boots movie over here at the Cinemark at Universal CityWalk. Look at this, he even rolled out the red carpet. Puss in Boots: The Last Wish in theaters now. With tomorrow being Christmas Eve, I do want to show you guys the crowd levels that's actually happening right now at Universal Studios. CityWalk actually really doesn't look too bad at all. Like, I'm actually very surprised. I will say this now, it's about 66 degrees. I think my blood has officially thinned out since living in Pennsylvania. Like 66, I forgot my hoodie. Like, it feels freezing right now. So right now I'm actually making my way towards Antonitos in the Hot Dog Hall of Fame. I do want to point out over here, the Great Movie Escape Room is officially now open. Here's the QR code in case you guys want to scan that and check out for more info. I do want to head over here towards the escape room though. I do want to point out the fact that the Universal's Great Movie Escape Room here on CityWalk is officially now open, featuring Back to the Future and Jurassic World. The price is $49.99 as like a starting price, and the prices do vary depending on the time of year and time of day, so definitely check out the Great Movie Escape Rooms. Two amazing offerings here at Universal CityWalk. I do want to pop into the Universal Studios store and show you guys some really nice new merchandise that actually just dropped here. A couple new offerings for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. This is the Hogwarts Moment Potions class. These are $40 a piece. Over here you have the Divination class, even Transfiguration class. And check out down here, like, aren't these just incredible? You can actually see what they look like all opened up, which is really just neat. Like, I like these so much. And then down here you have Hogwarts, the Chamber of Secrets. You get the entire like Hogwarts castle, which looks amazing. And then look at all of the different Lego characters you get. You actually get Albus Dumbledore as well. Like, these are really neat. And this is Lego Harry Potter 20 years, it says. Isn't that neat though? Like, that is really cool. Also a new Harry Potter Noble Collection item here to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. You actually get all 3 of the Gringotts coins with Certificate of Authenticity. These are only $35 a piece. Definitely a very cool, unique item. I do want to show you guys some of the Harry Potter coins that they have over here. Like, these are just awesome. These are the spell markers. When you actually use your interactive wands over in like Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley, these are $8 a piece, and they actually say Wizarding World of Harry Potter there on the back with Universal Orlando. Like, this kind of pairs really nice how they have these framed up there with these markers, and then one of the maps that you actually get. But look at this, like, you can actually put all of the coins around there. Like, that is a lot of fun. There's many different offerings of these. I do want to point out a couple of the other Harry Potter offerings. These are all Noble Collection items. You have the Basilisk right over here. You have the bookend for $58. Lucius Malfoy's mask right there, which is incredible. Actually comes with the whole wall plaque for $160. You have Professor Slughorn's hourglass for $160, but they have some amazing Noble Collection Harry Potter offerings in the main Universal Studios store over here on CityWalk. Another new shirt over here for Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. You have all of the different beasts. Like, this shirt is cool, $34 for this one, and very soft as well. And they do have that in a navy blue color. This is the feels like a women's version actually. Very soft, but the bottom is actually a little bit different. This one here is $35. And how adorable are these pumpkin juice sippers? Like, these are just incredible. The straw goes up there. It says over here the pumpkin juice sipper with complimentary first refill. These are $15 plus tax. Additional refills are available. Like, that is so neat. It is still so hard for me to believe that it's Christmas in like 2 days. Like, it's absurd. I actually noticed that the the medallion for the holiday celebration is actually gone from the archway. That was totally here my last visit, so I'm not exactly sure why that is gone, but you only have a few more days to actually enjoy the holiday parade featuring Macy's, Grinchmas, and all of the celebrations. But let's actually head inside Universal and show you guys all of the newest updates, because there are plenty. And I was totally getting used to that archway. I guess we have to get ready for Universal Mardi Gras right around the corner before you know it. It looks like today all options are available in terms of being able to get into the park. Like they have every single turnstile and kiosk opening, even the center ones. I think we're gonna head over here though. There's nobody over here. A very good indication on how busy the park is. Despicable Me, Minions Mayhem, currently a 75-minute wait. And look at the line, like it is totally at capacity today. Very, very busy Minions is. But I do wanna actually head over here towards the old entrance for the Shrek 4D attraction. There is a lot going on over here. Like look at this, the whole facade for the new Minions Villain Con is actually up, and it does look like that they have brand new lighting adorning the entire entryway over here and down a little bit further. Yeah, definitely a lot of progression in here, and also looks like they're starting to put some fans in there for the queue as well. There is a lot of busy work going on over here for the Despicable Me Minions Con, and I do want to show you guys that they actually have a banner up for the future attraction as well. Illuminations Villain Con Minion Blast coming September 2023. I love the whole poster that they have right here. Like this is really nice. But look at those lighting that they have actually. They're all wrapped up. The Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket's coming in at a whopping 60-minute wait right now. And listen to the screams. That is so much fun. Going over the loop right there. And I do want to point out, like there are so many people in front of the concert area. And actually, like Mannheim Steamroller is completely over for the holiday season. So if you guys missed our live stream we did from there, from Mannheim Steamroller, I'll let a link to that in the description box of this video. There's still not too much news reporting over here at the old Monsters Cafe. Definitely looks like it's all open and airy. If you guys notice right below that awning, it is completely just all open, so they are hard at work getting the new Minions attraction and presumably the new Minions restaurant over here all opened up and ready to go. Also over here where the Christmas tree is, I do want to point out, somebody sound the rumor alert that the tribute store has a rumor that actually it's going to be relocated. This will no longer be the location of the tribute stores. I do want to show you guys the rumored location in just a moment, but that is some crazy bit of information. This line today for Revenge of the Mummy, currently a 90-minute wait, and it is quite expansive with all of the switchbacks out here for Revenge of the Mummy. Like this section over here, there's not too many park guests, but this line is very, very big. A 90-minute wait for Revenge of the Mummy. Let's actually make our way down Hollywood Boulevard, check out some of the classic cars here at Mel's Drive-In, and come over here actually for our next update of the park. Okay, so the rumor has it that the old location of Williams of Hollywood is now going to be the future location of all of the tribute stores. Not only the holiday one, but after the holiday one officially closes, the rumor is that all of the tribute stores are now going to be over here at Williams of Hollywood location. I'm not quite sure how exactly I love that, just because this store is a little bit smaller in size compared to the old tribute store location, but it definitely makes sense why they had everything kind of blacked out with these blue curtains, and you can't see inside at the moment. Of course, I will keep you guys updated in terms of when the new tribute store opens. I do believe the next one would be the Mardi Gras tribute store, so potentially at Williams of Hollywood will be the new tribute store, and the next one, like I said, will be Mardi Gras. Also, move on over Schwab's Pharmacy. You are not the only fancy ice cream parlor here at Universal Orlando anymore. Over at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort, they just opened a brand new malt parlor, and it sounds incredible. Shake's Malt Shop is officially open at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Look at this, there goes Shaggy and Scooby and the gang. They just did a meet and greet, look at that. Also, definitely take a moment to get your picture taken with the Mystery Machine. It's actually emanating some music right over here from this speaker. You can meet Shaggy and the gang and get your picture with the Mystery Machine. For our next stop, let's head into the Five and Dime on Hollywood Boulevard. We'll see if we can find any new merchandise. And look at this. Miss Marilyn Monroe is actually doing a meet and greet right outside of the Five and Dime as well. Like, how perfect is that? They have a bunch of new action figures here. Right over here we have Dracula. Like, these are a lot of fun. They look like very retro. These are $25 a piece. They also have the creature from the Black Lagoon. They have the Wolfman. And even up here they have the Bride of Frankenstein and even Frankenstein's monster up there. Like, I like these a lot. And check out this new Universal shirt over here. It says a Universal picture. You have the Mummy, Universal Studios The Mummy. That one is only $27. I love the whole graphic on that though. Like, that is really neat. The E.T. Adventure Ride is actually closed right now at the moment, but they do have some new merchandise over here at E.T.'s Toy Closet. Let's actually go in here and check some of that out. They actually have a brand new scented candle for the E.T. Adventure Ride. It's actually the Green Planet. It's green inside. I love the packaging of these. These are $20 a piece. And your house could actually smell like the E.T. Adventure Ride for only $20. Also, some really adorable E.T. items over here. This is actually a diorama Stage 89 D stage. Like, this is really incredible. These are $47, but you have that iconic scene right there with E.T. the extraterrestrial. Like, that there is amazing, actually. A very cool collectible. And look at this shirt that they have for kids. It says, "I'll be right here," since 1982 for E.T. 40th anniversary. These are $20 a piece. And check out the Bendy Figures E.T. action figure. Again, like another old school action figure. I love how Universal does this. These are $27 a piece. And he actually comes with a really fun base right there that says E.T. Like, I love that. It is no secret, the E.T. Adventure Ride, definitely hands down always my favorite ride here at Universal Orlando. I do want to head into the Fievel's Playground area, the Curious George section, and kind of show you guys my last walkthrough over there before it officially closes. If you plan on visiting the park between now and January 15th, I strongly suggest you just come in this area, even if you're not going to do any of the attractions or anything over here, even the photo op. This officially closes at park close on January 15th. So this entire section over here, like Curious George, DreamWorks Destination, even the Shrek Swamp Meet and Greet, which has the holiday overlay right now. All of this closes at park close on January 15th. And while you're here, why not take advantage of a 10-minute wait on the Woody Woodpecker Nut House coaster? You can't go wrong. Definitely give it a proper goodbye. Definitely a very, very fun kids attraction. A classic. I'm actually really surprised to see the Curious George section goes to town is actually open, being how cold it is outside. Like I was saying, when I got here, about 66 degrees. And if you haven't been over here to the Curious George section, it's basically like a kid's haven. They got splash pads galore over here. Like, there is water bubbling up from everywhere. And just a really fun place to be for the kids when it's hot. Definitely not so much for me today though. It is a little bit too chilly. That being said, the E.T. Adventure Ride, SpongeBob Store Pans, Animal Actors on location, all of those amazing attractions are staying. This whole area over here is being rethemed. So definitely take advantage of the fact, if you're here, just pop in and just check it all out one last time before it is closed for retheming. Also, outside of Animal Actors on location, yet another fun Puss in Boots photo op. Look at this. It is a Christmas photo op with Puss in Boots. Like, you can't go wrong. And definitely check out Animal Actors on location right afterwards. This is amazing though.
You know you want to avoid their puny punches.
Simpsons The Ride 3D currently coming in at a whopping 50-minute wait. A 50-minute wait for Simpsons The Ride 3D. I always love coming over here though. Like, for whatever reason, the eyes on this attraction before you actually go in with Krusty the Clown. Like, I love it. Let's actually head into Diagon Alley and check out the wait time for Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts and see if we can find anything new going on over here. But all of the Christmas lights are actually lit right now, and it is literally still daytime. was actually some serious perfect timing. As soon as I got into Diagon Alley, the dragon was actually ready to breathe fire. I do want to head into Sugar Plums. There is a new item I want to see if they have in stock. For $72, they have a brand new chocolate frog purse, and look at this. It is literally the exact replica of the chocolate frog box. It says milk chocolate shaped frog. On the side here, you actually have a chocolate frog charm, just like you do on some of the different keychains. That there is very, very neat. You could even get a collectible keepsake tin for $30 with the chocolate frogs as well. I do believe you actually get 5 different wizard cards in here. These are $30 a piece. And Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts coming in at a 90-minute wait today. Again, Christmas is so close, very right around the corner, and a 95-minute wait is definitely to be expected for Escape from Gringotts. I do think that's gonna do it for today's video. A perfect way to end it with Marilyn, the Diamond Bellas, and then literally playing Christmas music. It doesn't get any better than this. If you'd like to further support the channel, please consider checking out our Patreon page. I'll let a link to that in the description box of this video. But if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. And as always, make today awesome.